Have you ever wondered what drives someone to climb the world's toughest mountains? Meet Alex Honnold, the famed free solo climber. He doesn't just climb, he teaches us invaluable lessons on learning and career growth. Alex Honnold climbed El Capitan without ropes. This feat showcases his dedication, focus, and planning. Today, we'll unpack how these qualities apply to your own journey. First, let's address passion. Alex's love for climbing fuels his relentless practice. Find what excites you. Pursue it with passion. This sets the foundation for growth. Next, let's talk about preparation. Alex spends hours studying his routes. He visualizes every step. You should also assess your goals. Break them down into manageable steps. Prepare thoroughly, just as Alex does. Then comes resilience. Honnold experienced many failures. Instead of giving up, he learned from them. Embrace setbacks in your career. Use them as stepping stones towards success. Another key lesson is focus. Honnold blocks distractions while climbing. Apply this in your work. Concentrate solely on your tasks. You'll see improvements in your performance. Lastly, embrace risk. Honnold takes calculated risks in his climbs. Evaluate your own risks in your career. Step outside your comfort zone to achieve greatness. In summary, Alex Honnold's journey teaches us about passion, preparation, resilience, focus, and risk. Apply these lessons to elevate your learning and career. Ready to climb your own mountain? Start implementing these strategies today. Your success is within reach.